P-pop fans, stans, and bullets, listen up. In a thrilling development for Filipino music enthusiasts, popular P-pop group G22 has been officially named the newest ambassador for Pure Gold, one of the Philippines' leading supermarket chains. Alongside this exciting announcement, Pure Gold has revealed plans for the highly anticipated Pure Gold Opium Con, a concert celebrating original Filipino music set to take place in July. Fans can look forward to a series of exciting updates starting in May, making this a must watch event for music lovers across the nation. G22, known for their infectious energy and chart topping hits, has been selected as the face of Pure Gold's latest campaign. The group's youthful and dynamic image perfectly aligns with Pure Gold's mission to provide quality products and services to Filipino families. As the newest ambassadors, G22 will be prominently featured in various promotional materials and events for the supermarket chain, further strengthening their connection with fans and consumers alike. The Pure Gold Opium Con, scheduled for July 2025, promises to be a landmark event in the local music scene. This concert is part of Pure Gold's ongoing commitment to supporting and promoting Filipino music and artists. Attendees can expect an unforgettable night filled with performances from some of the biggest names in OPM, showcasing the rich talent and diversity of the genre. The event not only highlights Pure Gold's dedication to the arts, but also serves as a platform to celebrate the cultural pride embedded in OPM. The build-up to the concert kicks off in May 2025 with exciting reveals and releases. On May 1st, 2025, Pure Gold will unveil new artists joining the Opium Con lineup, giving fans a first glimpse of the talent to come. This will be followed by the official Opium Con full artists reveal on May 3rd, 2025, when the complete roster of performers will be announced. The excitement continues with the second music video drop on 10th of May, offering up fans a taste of what's in store for the big event. Ticket sales details will be released in May, with a special pre-sale starting on 17th of May 2025, giving eager fans the chance to secure their spots early and join the hype. Given the immense popularity of G22 and the significance of the concert, anticipation is already building. Fans are encouraged to stay tuned to Pure Gold's official social media channels for updates and to take advantage of the pre-sale on May 17 to lock in their tickets ahead of the crowd. This event is expected to draw a massive audience eager to witness the magic of Opium Live, so early action is highly recommended. With G22 stepping into their new role as Pure Gold ambassadors and a Pure Gold Opium Con on the horizon, the excitement is palpable. Fans and music lovers alike should mark their calendars for these key dates in May 2025, starting with the artist's reveal on 1st of May and 3rd of May, the music video drop on May 10, and the ticket pre-sale on May 17. And prepare for an extraordinary night of music and entertainment starting in July 2025.